you hear people say digital products have changed their lives, believe what they say. Today, you guys, I want to talk to you about how God used digital products to change my life financially, and I want to help you to understand that you need to get started on your digital product business journey if you have not already done so. As of today, I have made $9,082 from digital products. This isn't me having to do any hard work. This isn't me having to do any hard labor. This isn't me having to use my hands to make the money on. All I have to do is show up online, do what I'm doing right now, talk, speak, and you guys, it's that simple. Now, what I want you guys to know is when people say that you can make money from digital products, listen, you can make money from digital products. It's all about how much you show up online. It's all about how well you put yourself out there. It's all about being consistent. Now, I will tell you guys, when I first started, I was not consistent. I was not showing up the way that I needed to. But once I began to be more consistent, I began to see more sales. So if you are thinking about starting digital products, if you have thought about it over and over and over again, I want you to know now is the time for you to get started. It is August 4th, 2025 at the time of this recording. You guys, if I would have stayed consistent with digital products from the first time that I started, I would have been a millionaire by now. And I know this because it is just that simple. All you have to do is be consistent, get out your own way, and you have to have a target audience. You have to have someone that you're targeting. You have to have a digital product that people need, and you have to be willing to get on here and to get the work done. So one thing I want you guys to know is digital product has literally helped me financially. I have literally been able to get back into real estate. Real estate is one of my end goals. Being able to own properties. I want literally 100 doors to my name. So I have been able to literally buy, you guys, 4 properties from selling digital products. I've also been able to invest and to get 2 mobile homes, and I'm getting ready to start a mobile home park. So if you guys are on the fence of selling digital products, I want you to know that you need to start. You need to start because, for one, it will free you your time so that you don't have to work as many hours. If you find yourself working overtime, if you find yourself saying you're tired of your job, starting digital products will help you because it will allow you to soon quit your job. If you are looking to invest and let your money begin to work for you, getting into digital products is going to be life-changing for you. Now, I have not been able to make my first 100K as of now, but I know that it's coming. I know that I'm getting ready to make $1 million, and I want you guys to know that anything that you set your mind to, it is possible, but you have to be willing to get out there and do it. So if you're looking for a sign, if you've been saying I need to start and you continue to procrastinate, I want you to know this video was meant for you. If you're ready to change your life, if you're ready to change your children's life, if you're ready to just save money or invest money, this business is for you. So the reason I want you guys to understand that everybody needs to sell digital products is because, for one, the first thing you have to do is figure out what gift, what talent, what it is within you that you have. Everybody has a purpose. Let me say that. Everybody has a purpose. God gave all of us a purpose. We all have an assignment. So you have something in you that the world needs. So that's the first thing you have to remember. Is something within you that the world needs. It's a problem that people have that you are the solution to. There are people whose lives depend on what you have. So once you remember that, the second thing you need to do is figure out how to allow your gift to make room for you. That's biblical. Your gifts will make room for you. So because we know our gifts will make room for us, you have to figure out how to use your gifts, your talents, in order for you to help other people. So it's only one of you, and because it's only one of you, this means that you need to be able to create something that's going to allow you to sell all over the world. You need to create something that's going to allow you to do it effortlessly without you having to give so much of yourself to do it. So because of this, this is how we know that digital products is going to be the number one thing that everyone needs. You create it one time, and after you create it one time, guess what? It sells and it sells and it sells and it sells. But not only that, you're helping someone that you've never met in a whole nother state, in a whole nother city, in a whole nother environment. You're helping them. But not only that, you're able to continue to make more and more and more digital products. So if you make one digital product, maybe you start with an ebook, and now you have other people asking, okay, I got your ebook, but I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to get it uploaded. I don't know what to do from here. Guess what? That's another door, so that you're able to now either offer a coaching session that's going to require more of your time, but you can do a group coaching session monthly with a monthly subscription, or you can do it where you're coming up with a course that you create one time, and all the questions that you continue to see people ask you from buying your first digital product, now it can be sold at a higher margin, so that now you got two digital products. Your first one was just your ebook. Maybe you sell it for $20. Now you have people asking so much about how they're able to do this and this and XYZ. You come up with a second one. It's going to be your coaching calls so that you can do group sessions, or it's going to be your course. Now you can sell that for $97. So now that same one person done spent $120 with you. $120 from one person. So now you're able to scale it even further. And let's just say now you have more time because you're able to quit your job, and now you're able to actually do one-on-ones with people. So now they done got so much valuable information from your course or your group coaching calls that they say, you know what, I'm willing to invest $1,000 to do a one-on-one with you because I need what you have. I see that you are able to be successful, and I want to do exactly what you're doing. So now that one client done went from paying you $20 to $120 to now paying you $1,000 just for your coaching. So they done spent $1,120 with you, just one person. All you would need is 90 people to invest so that you can make 100K. Just 90. If you're aiming to make $1 million, all you need is 893 people in order for you to make $1 million. 893. How many followers do you have currently? How many people are already on your Facebook page? How many people are you already engaging with? 893 is all you need to spend $1,120 with you. That's it, you guys. This stuff isn't rocket science. It's not rocket science at all. But you have to be willing to show up, and you have to be willing to do the work. So if you needed a sign today, I hope that this was helpful for you. I hope that this was the sign. I hope that you get out your own way and stop making excuses and go ahead and get it done. So if you need assistance, if you're ready to get started and you're saying, I want to know more about digital products, I want you to go down below in my description and grab my digital product bundle. It's going to literally teach you everything about digital products. It's going to teach you how to market. It's going to give you 100 digital product ideas so that you can get started. Down below, you guys, only $10. $10 is all you need so that you're able to get into this and understand the methods that you need. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. You know, down below in the comments, what type of business are you looking to get started so that we can go ahead and get you up and running, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go back and watch other videos if you have not already done so. I'll see you back here on my next video. Bye.